Hi guys, okay, so today I am doing this really quick and easy summer makeup and hair tutorial. So the hair that I am going to be featuring is Alisky's water wave hair. I have in 224s, a 20, two 24s, 22, 20, and a 20-inch closure left. This is what the hair looks like. I'm done. So yeah. I still have the bag, and this is the bag that it came in. Of course, it came into like a what is it called, like a box or whatever, but it just says Alisky on it and 100% human hair. It came with like the little what is this called, like the little flexi rods and stuff like this, and then it also came with a hair scrunchie that looks like that. So yeah, the hair pretty much still looks the same. Like, I washed it and everything and just let it air dry. I didn't do anything, like I didn't define it because I knew I was going to put it in a bun, but you'll see me do that later on in the video. So yeah, I will leave all the specs listed down below. Don't forget to check them out. The hair looks so nice. It feels super nice. It's super full. I would, if you want that super big hair, then I would get the 4 bundles. If not, 3 bundles will definitely do. So yeah, I love you guys. Don't forget to thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, thumbs up, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye guys. Okay, so today is Happy Saturday. I know my hair look a mess, but I'm going to do it. It is a new wig, so I have to fix it and everything. But I wanted to come on camera and do my makeup. I haven't talked to you guys. I haven't done a video in a while. So I just wanted to, you know, get on here and see what you guys have been doing. So I'm going to use the Born This Way foundation. This one right here, mine is like pretty much empty. You see that? It lasted a pretty long time though, but it's empty. So I'm just going to take my beauty blender. I've already primed my face. So yeah. Let's see. What do you want to talk about? So, oh my God. I don't know if you guys watch Riverdale, but I do. And I said that just simply because Riverdale was just on. I have like 3 breakouts. When I tell you this year, my face has been like, girl, you're getting older, so let me just, you know, do this to you. And maybe it's just because since like my first 6 months have been just like, what hell. I know I've just like switched topics, but it really has been. And now I'm just like, I feel like I've been hit with the last curveball, let me knock on wood, you know, that I could be hit with. So now I'm just like, look, you know, just let it go up from here, okay? Let the next 6 months be, I'm claiming it. I'm claiming it for me. I'm claiming it for you guys. Even if your 6 months has been amazing, I hope it's even better than what it was before. So yeah. What was I about to say? So Riverdale. Oh my God. Do you guys watch that? Because I watch Riverdale, and I just recently started watching Riverdale, and I am obsessed. So I'm a little confused because Archie is like, so Riverdale is kind of giving me, I don't know if you guys watch One Tree Hill, and I know it's not entirely like One Tree Hill, but for some reason it's giving me like One Tree Hill vibes. And Riverdale is like one of those shows where it's like, oh my God, it's not just so good. Like, I felt like, I want to make sure that my hair is like in the spot that I would wear it in, you know. So One Tree Hill, for me, like, I can watch that show, rewatch it over and over. I don't see me rewatching Riverdale like that, but it's good though. It really is good. So what was I about to say? Excuse me if you see like 2 shirts. Like, I have on this other shirt right here, but it's like a halter top, and yeah, my chest is like super out, and I didn't want to get anything on it, so I just put that on. So now I'm just gonna put some concealer on. So yeah, it's really good. It's good though. Like, I can definitely watch it. Like, I haven't stopped watching it really, you know. But what I'm confused about is, so I'm on the second season, like episodes in. By the time I watch, like you guys see this, I'll probably be on like season 3. But what's killing me is Archie and Veronica. It's like, I mean, Archie and, I keep wanting to call this girl Andy. Like, she's giving me Andy vibes from Dawson's Creek. Betty, Elizabeth, I think is her name. How the hell you get Betty from Elizabeth? Like, wouldn't you say like Bedford? I don't know. If my name was Elizabeth, I wouldn't want you to call me Betty. But that's besides the point. They're confusing me because I feel like Archie really still likes her, and then I'm at the point where they did have a little kiss or whatever, but now she's like giving Jughead gifts, and then Veronica came and was like, I love you too, Archie, and I'm like, girl, okay. And then Archie and her are like kissing, and someone's like taking pictures of them. So I'm like, yeah, what's going on here? Like, what's gonna happen? Are they gonna tell their significant others that they kissed someone? So I don't know if Jughead and Veronica and Betty are gonna get back together or not. But it's cool. Like, I think my favorite character, one of my favorite, I like Veronica. I also like, what's the one who had the twin who died? Her. I like her as well. And honestly, like, I know that they're all like, forget the sunset serpents and stuff, but I really think that later on down the line we'll find out. I'll find out, because if you guys watch it, then you guys know. I really think that later on down the line I'm gonna find out that they're not that bad, because something about them is like not screaming where it's like, oh, they're drug dealers or they're just these awful people that the town tries to make them to be, you know. And I really think that's gonna be the case. Like, we're gonna find out like, oh, they're not that bad. So yeah, that's my hypothesis or prediction or whatever, you know. I just don't think that they're gonna be that bad. So like, I have not really been doing like makeup or whatever, so I'm like out of so much stuff. Setting powder being one, so I have to use this like Black Radiance powder foundation. I have this banana powder, this powder that I had got from this baking powder that I got from Makeup Revolution, this one, but it's ugly. Like, it just doesn't look good on my skin, even though it's like this golden. I'll like show you guys what it looks like. So I'm just gonna do it underneath here so that it don't really mess up my makeup. But it's like so warm, yeah, like golden, like, ugh, it's just not cute. I'll sit under here, but I tried using it underneath my eye, and I'm now into like the whole translucent powder. Well, I only like Pretty Vulgars because that's the only one that I've ever tried, and it works for my complexion. Like, I don't get any, you know, sorry, I'm trying to take this off the thing. I don't get any flashback or anything from it, but like, you see that? Like, it just doesn't even want to go away. Like, when I do that to my Pretty Vulgar or my Laura Mercier powder, when I dust it, it doesn't leave, like, look at that. It leaves like a line, and that's ugly. So imagine putting this underneath. Underneath your freaking foundation or whatever, and it leaves underneath your eyes, and it leaves like patches and stuff. It's just ugly. Maybe, I don't know, maybe mine is old. Mine is old because I've had it for like a year. What's the life expectancy? 12 months. So maybe that's it. But I've had powders that was like a year old. Because I think I got it around this year, last year sometime. I don't know. I know I've had it. But I'm like, maybe I could just use that because I need something to set my face with. But that ain't it. Nah, sis. So now I'm just going to take this blush. And kind of carve out my cheeks. But that ain't it. So now I'm going to take some mascara. Oh, I was like, oh, what if I'm not even filming? That would have been tragic. Tragic. Take some mascara because I'm going to put falsies on. I need to like re-up and get some more false lashes. Oof. Oh. Definitely just pokes myself in the eye. Luckily I have contacts on, and luckily I'm about to change them. I should do that now. I definitely should have did it before I did my makeup. But it's okay. Okay, so it's hot outside. So honestly, normally I would show you guys just like how I'm doing my hair with this, but it's super hot, so I'm just gonna show you how I do just like a really cute bun with the hair. But this is the natural texture of it. I'm not gonna really, this part has gotten combed out, so let me just kind of show you guys the hair untouched, anything, no products, nothing in it. This is how it's looking. I have in a 24, 24, 22, 20, two 24s, 22, 20, and a 20-inch closure. So because it's hot, like I said, I want to do a cute bun. I will be back. Of course, with my buns, I like to do a headband because I didn't leave any hair out. So I'm going to get my headband and stuff, and then I'm going to show you how I achieve my bun.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna remember. Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we.
I'm just gathering all the hair up like so, and trying to make it as smooth as possible. And I'm going to put the rubber band on. And bam. Okay. So that's how the hair is looking right now. So now I'm just going to take it, spread it out like so, and just kind of, you know, twirl it around like and make a bun like so. And I'm going to take these, I don't have small bobby pins, so I'm going to take these really big ones. But I like them because they hold more hair. And I'm just going to pin the bun up. Like so. So, just pulling out a little bit of my hair. And now I have a bun. Okay, so I have taken that shirt off, and this is the completed look. I know I'm gonna get questions about what lip I'm wearing, and the lip is from, what is this, Black Radiance Hollywood Hot, and it looks like this. So yeah, this is just a quick summertime look, makeup, hair. I think it's cute. I think it's perfect for the summer when you just like, ooh, I want to look cute, but I don't want all this hair on me. I don't know about you guys, but I hate a lot of hair being on me when it's super hot outside. So yeah, this is how the hair looks. I don't know if I mentioned this again, but I'm going to mention it once more. The hair is from Alisky Hair. I'll leave all of their specs about the hair listed down below. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.